Welcome the ARIA channel. Today we how to verify form accessibility in React with ARIA roles, full guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the importance of accessibility in web applications. Accessibility ensures that all users, including those with disabilities, can interact with your application effectively. Begin by installing React if you haven't already. You can use Create React App for an easy setup. Open your terminal and run the command npx create react app myaccessible app. Change directories to your new app with cd myaccessible app. Next, you'll want to install any necessary packages for accessibility. For this guide, we will primarily focus on ARIA roles. In the public folder, open the index.html file. Make sure your HTML structure is semantic, using elements like header, env, main, and footer. Now, let's dive into your React components. Start with a simple form component. Create a new file named formcomponent.js in the src folder. Import React and any necessary dependencies at the top of your file. Build a basic form structure using semantic HTML. Include labels associated with input fields to enhance accessibility. Use the HTML for attribute in labels that match the ID of the corresponding input. Consider adding ARIA roles to further define the purpose of elements. Use roles like form, text box, button, and alert as needed. You can set ARIA attributes like ARIA required for mandatory fields. Ensure that error messages are announced to screen readers by utilizing ARIA live regions. Implement control over keyboard navigation within your form. Make sure all interactive elements are keyboard accessible. Next, run your application by using the command npm start. Now, let's validate the accessibility of your form. Use accessibility testing tools such as Axe, Lighthouse, or Wave. Install Axe by adding it to your project with npm install axecore. Integrate Axe within your app to perform accessibility checks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.